welcome to Chris Cook for YouTube. Today I'm going to be showing you what to do with the pickle juice once you've eaten all of the pickles out of the jar. This is dill pickles and we've eaten all of the pickles, so I'm going to show you what to do with the juice today. I'm going to be making dill pickle chicken wings. Now don't knock it until you tried it, because I think you're really going to enjoy it. You're going to need for this recipe the chicken wings. You're going to need the dill pickle juice once you've eaten out of the pickles. Here I have some olive oil, but I've went ahead and just put some minced garlic over in it. And you're going to need a little bit of minced garlic put into your pickle juice. And that's probably about a teaspoonful, because I'm using a tablespoon right here. And you're going to need dill, pepper, and salt. That's all you need, and you may need something if you're going to use a dipping sauce, and I think I'll probably use ranch. But let me show you what to do. So you're going to take, I put the minced garlic over inside of here, so you're going to take the chicken wings, because I need a bigger bowl. And you're going to, these are already washed, so you're going to go ahead and just put them over into a larger bowl. Then you're going to take your pickle juice with your minced garlic in it, and you're going to pour that all over your chicken wings. Now you're going to allow these chicken wings to marinate in these pieces of garlic and the pickle juice. You're going to allow it to marinate for at least 1 hour. That's all you need, is 1 hour of marinating. You're going to bake these off in the oven. So I'm going to go ahead and let this marinate. Then I'm going to bring you back. We're going to mix up our seasonings that we're going to put on top of these. We're going to bake them off, and the only thing else we need then is some dipping sauce and probably some hot sauce. So I'll be right back. Okay, now we're back, and my chicken wings, they have set. Then I rinse them off, and I paper towel them dry. Okay, so I just pat dry them with a paper towel, because you don't want all that water on it. So now what I'm going to do is, I've already added my garlic to my olive oil. So now I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of dill. I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of black pepper. And I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of salt. That's all you need. That's it. Now I'm going to stir this up. I've already preset my oven at 425 degrees. I'm going to cook it for 25 minutes on one side. Then I'm going to flip it. I'll bring it back when I get ready to flip it. And I'm going to cook it for another 15 minutes on the other side. And we're going to oven cook this because I want this to be crispy. So there, I've mixed up my seasonings, so I'm going to go ahead and add them to my my ingredients, or to my chicken, I'm sorry. Okay, now I'm going to stir this. Now, the only thing else that you can add to this, you can add some garlic. And the reason why I didn't add garlic to this is because, remember, I put the minced garlic over in here. So we're putting the minced garlic over in here. I didn't need the granulated, okay? So once you get all of that, see how I got it? All of it is saturated with my seasonings. Then you're going to go ahead, and I have this baking sheet. And on top of the baking sheet, I have a rack, because I didn't have one that could fit inside. So we're going to bake this off, so you want to put this on your rack. Okay. And I'm going to tell you, I cannot wait until these chicken wings get done. I am so ready for them. All I need is some ranch dressing, and I need some hot sauce. And I will be good to go. Now, like I said, if you've never tried this before, you're going to really enjoy it if you try it. So before you pass judgment on it, give it a try. because I think you will truly, truly enjoy it. So I'm going to try to get them all down on here if I can't. Then I'll go ahead and use another baking sheet. And I had about, I don't know, maybe about 25, 26 wings. And of course, as always, your ingredients will be posted at the bottom. But this is real simple. And I think that this is going to be real easy for you to do. I got 3 left, so I'm going to try to see if I can get those 3 on here, which I did. Okay, that's all of them. And they look really good because they're heavily coated with my seasonings. And that's the reason why you use the olive oil, because the olive oil will act as a paste. It will help your ingredients to stick to your chicken wings. And not only will it do that, but it will also help them to fry up or to bake up crispy. So we have the oven on 425. I'm going to put it in for 25 minutes. Then I'll bring you back when I get ready to flip this over, and I'll show you what it looks like. All right, so the timer has went off, so I'm going to take them out and flip them over. And then I'm going to put them right back in so that they can cook on the other side. So they need 15 minutes to cook on the other side. So I'm going to go ahead and flip these over, put them back in the oven for 15 minutes, and I'll bring you back as soon as they are ready. Just wanted to show you. They're browning up good. And that seasoning is still on there. I'm going to truly enjoy this. They look good. Hot. Very hot. I'm so used to putting my hands on hot stuff. Okay, so I'm just gonna flip these over. All right, I'm back, and I'm gonna go ahead and take them out of the oven. Whoa, there they are. And that's what happens. You'll get that brown baked looking color when you put on any type of oils, whether it be butter or it be canola oil or it be whatever type oil that you choose to use, whether it be the virgin olive oil. You're going to get that crispness, and that's what I was really looking for these chicken wings. So I'm going to let them cool just a little bit, and then I'm going to bring you back and dish you up a plate. But they look delicious. And you know when they're really good, when you can see your seasoning sticking to the actual wing, you know that you're going to get all that good flavor. That is really good. Be right back. Alrighty, now I'm back, so I'm going to go ahead and put a few of these wings down on this plate. And what I've already done is I've set it up. These really look good. And I like drums and I like flats, so I mean, it really looks good. And I really do believe that if you try this, you are going to love it. Now, I did put some hot sauce down on my plate, as well as some ranch. And what would dill pickles or dill pickle chicken actually be without the actual dill pickle? So I put some dill pickles down on the plate as well. And there it is. Chris is making dill pickle chicken. Now that's a treat in itself. And I think that if you try this, you are truly going to enjoy it. Okay, that's what Chris is making for you tonight. Dill pickle chicken. Try it. I think you're truly going to enjoy it. And as always, thank you for watching. Chris Cook for you too. Bye.